burn them right at sundown here, one after another. This little catalpa's really taken off. It's about 18 inches tall. Slacking on my videos lately, but you know, these things all look the same, don't they? They're all the same but different. Made a new door today. Just got the coil taken out. Corey's over here setting the AC. You got the pad marked already?
Yeah.
So he marked his pad out here and he's going to set it and line up the cut line set that we're flushing like a professional. Got her all reclaimed. Got my coil. Gonna probably just get rid of this. A little 40,000 today with a 1.5. We got an afternoon install as well. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Oh, somebody's got a screw in there. And then put my rails anywhere up here. And set the coil, put the door on. Gonna solder these together and flush in here. Probably hack this off right here. And that there. Solder them together and flush. Okay, this pan I elected to just reuse. Just re-screwed it. Pitched it to the drain here. And trimmed a 1/2 inch off of here. On this side. The problem is I lost a piece of my sheet metal in here somewhere. I think it's down in the blower. So that's not good. Dialing her in. Didn't get much video on this one, but whatever. The elusive shop video underway. In between jobs here, making a plenum for a mess of a job. Now that's going to be less than 90 a little bit, just barely.
Okay. More?
Yeah, a little more right there. And then the other one goes out a little bit. So hang it off the shear, or hang it off the brake.
What, this one?
No, that one.
What are you hanging off the brake?
Yeah, you're going to want to bend it down to match this angle right here.
Oh, yeah, yes.
Put that right there. No, hang it off, yep. Just, no, put your hands there, you're going to make a mess of it.
So, how, like this?
Here, yeah. Should match these, which they do. Perfect. That's how that goes. And then we'll bang that all together. And we had 2.5 ton condenser fan motor was shot. Long line set through a crawl space. Gonna get it done. That fitting we just made in the shop. They had a 14-inch coil sitting on a 21 wide cab. Then I'll show you that here in a second. Alright, so here's the inside. Line set, crawl space back there. What kind of a clown does something like this here? 14-inch coil blocking off half the top of that furnace. Wow, that's beautiful. Yeah, I don't know. That is something else, ain't it? Yeah, let's just go ahead and stick a 21 wide furnace under a 14-inch coil. Got that line set bent in there. I'm gonna make sure I didn't kink it. And Corey's gonna slide this in and solder. See what kind of damage the circus did to this furnace before I got here. It looks a little scorched there, doesn't it? Maybe it'll be alright. We'll get it some airflow. We got that crawl space. We got that line set ran through there. Corey's out flowing nitrogen soldering up out there. Here's my crawl space over here. Way back around there is where it runs out to the condenser. That coil looks good. If you read the manual on these furnaces, these flanges are supposed to be bent up or snapped off before you proceed with the installation. Not blanket off 3 more inches on each side so the air can't get through there. This poor furnace. So I'm going to bend those down before I set my coil on here. Put them in there. We just made in between jobs. I'm going to slam this coil in there. Hopefully it's going to sit. The only thing I didn't look at was flanging. You flange it front and back in. I may have to turn that back out to get this to fit. Yeah, the circus left town. Nothing but class act left here today. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Little bead of caulk right there, in there. Everything else is sealed. Run the drain, solder, pull pressure, vacuum. Bam. There it is. Done deal. Just verifying the fan speed of 95.0704 CXA. So it's that one right there. I just need to figure out how to read this. $10 degrees?
Yes, sir.
Did we check the breaker?
Oh, no.
What's the breaker?
25.
On the elusive 25 amp breaker in the truck. So we're all set.